What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, here in the living room. I'm actually thinking about redoing some things or repurposing, reorganizing some things that I have already here. Like this table right here with all of my awards on it. I'm actually thinking about putting it over there by the fireplace. I'm really thinking about doing that. And then in the entryway, I have another piece that I wanted to actually put in the entryway, another mirror. It's more of an oriental. I was going to do the whole hallway area like oriental. So that's what I'm thinking about doing now. And rearranging some things and getting ready to put up the Christmas decoration probably on tomorrow, since I really don't have anything like per se set up to do. So I'm really thinking about doing that. And why not get started like right now? It's a rainy evening in Memphis, and everything's pretty much quiet, so why not get started? You ready to do this with me? I'd love it if you come along. You ready? Okay, let's do it. In the meantime and in between time, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Life with Sweet Angel and Mike, and this is how we do it.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, oh, won't you tell me how you feel? Hey, you keep looking at you, feel it so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. We could try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. Yeah, we could try. Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Yeah. Wanna get in close with you. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, oh, won't you tell me how you feel? Hey, you keep looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try.
All right, beautiful babes, I am back. So this is what happened with the table that was over in the other corner. And I'm sorry about the lighting and so forth, but I went ahead and moved my ring light out of here to get everything back in place. So just put all of that over here. I'm really looking for 2 shelves that are going to be pretty much the same, I guess, material of this table here. So I put this table here with the mirror. And just put a little greenery right there for now until I do some further shopping and investigation. And over in this corner, I just moved the little keyboard that we don't use and my horn out of this corner. And I put in a light and move that little table over here with the salt lamp and Honey's trophy over here. So you got trophy there, and let's just fix the little plant here. So back up here and give you a view from this angle. So the table, move there, move that little table over there in the corner. You know how it is with old folks, we just have a little bit of everything. And then this table that was in the entryway hall right there. So that's it for now. Okay. Excuse our old albums there. We're going to do something with those, but right now we just didn't want to move them. But the entry hall, we're going to do all this oriental. We're going to do all of this oriental and have it all oriental with a rug right here. Also, we're going to put something on the door there. So that's that. And also in the hall, we have this oriental wall plaque here that will probably stay here. I'm not really sure if I'm moving it from this side and putting something else right there. It formerly was on this wall, and I just have a little picture stuck there, but it formerly was on this wall. I think I may move it back over here. Who knows? But that is it. If you enjoyed this little bit of cleanup, organize, yada, 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 go ahead and drop a big like on this video. And we'll see y'all back here tomorrow because we're going to put up some Christmas decorations, okay? And we'll see y'all on tomorrow. So take care until then. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Make sure you share us with your world. Take care. Bye.